The US ban on Xiaomi explained. Hey peeps, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to try and explain the latest ban by US on Xiaomi. So, news came out day before yesterday or yesterday that US has in fact put Xiaomi in a list. So, DoD, which is also known as Department of Defense in the US, they have a list called Communist Chinese Military Companies. So what they did was they placed Xiaomi and a few other companies on this list, and of course this page is linked in the description of this video, and in case you want to view the list you do have a PDF which you can download from this page. Now what happens when a company is placed on this list of communist Chinese military companies? That means that any US entity, which includes companies, individuals, cannot invest in Xiaomi. That's what it means. So let us say as a US citizen, or I am a company in the US, I cannot invest in Xiaomi. The deadline which the US Department of Defense has put out for those of you who own shares of Xiaomi is November 11th, 2021. So by that date, you have to sell your shares or whatever you have invested in Xiaomi, you have to pull that money out. That is what has been done right now. And Huawei is also on this list. Now, since we are talking about Huawei, let us talk about another list. That list is called the Entity List, which is maintained by the US Department of Commerce. And Huawei is on this Entity List as well. What does being on the Entity List mean? Being on the Entity List means that you cannot do business with any US based company, which is why Huawei cannot do business with Google, Qualcomm, ARM chip manufacturers, all those things. Huawei cannot buy technology from them or sell them technology, which is why Huawei phones do not come with GMS loaded anymore, because they cannot do business with Google. So we have two separate lists over here. One is this list which you see on your screen right now, communist Chinese military companies, and Xiaomi and Huawei are both on this list. Then you have the Entity List, which is maintained by the Department of Commerce, and Huawei is on that list. Xiaomi is not on that list as of now. What does this mean for Xiaomi? The ban which is currently on Xiaomi just means that US entities cannot invest in Xiaomi. Whatever products Xiaomi is selling in the US, like say their smart TV box or their water purifiers, they can continue to sell those things. Xiaomi does not officially sell smartphones in the US, but they do sell your Android TV boxes. So they are free to sell those, they can continue to sell those. Just that if I as a person or I as a company have invested in Xiaomi and I am in the US, or I am a US citizen or a US based company, then I have to sell my investment in Xiaomi. That's it. That's what the current ban means. It in no way means that Xiaomi can no longer do business or buy chips from Qualcomm, or say work with Google, share technology with Google. That ban is not yet on Xiaomi because Xiaomi is not on the entity list. So that's it peeps. That was all about this small video, giving you a clarification as to what the current ban which is implemented by the US government on Xiaomi means for Xiaomi and for you. And I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.